Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the euro currency first. So we update our view because, as you know, you probably heard already about it, that Brexit voting is postponed for unclear time. But the final decision should be made on the 29th of March on 2019. So it's not much time till the vital day, and probably it should happen sooner rather than later. Still, as you can see, the postponing of the voting by the Theresa May, it makes the bearish impact on the market. Mostly, it very significant on the Great British Pound, but on the euro it's as well. So market has dropped. So from the one point of view, this confirms our view on the market that this upward action that we see doesn't look like the thrusting action, doesn't look like the reversal or something really bullish, but mostly should be treated as a retracement, because sell-offs of this upward action stands very significant and fast. And today I would like to start a discussion on the hourly chart, because here you could see what has happened actually. We said that we have the ABCD pattern, and if you would like to take the short position, probably you could do this, but placing the stops above the OP target. That was our recommendation, because we said that it could happen that market could hit the OP first and then showing downward action. That indeed has happened. So we can see OP has been hit within a few hours and market collapsed. So currently the short-term sentiment on the market stands bearish, and it seems that market really could continue the downward action. Maybe it will lead to even to something more serious consequences. Because within the two sessions on Thursday, we will get the European Central Bank meeting. We also have put announcement of this meeting in our weekly report, so we could see there the most important moments to watch for, because some also tricky moment exists with the assumption of the European Central Bank of the European Union economy and what they will do with the short-term quantitative easing program. This is also important. Meantime, in the euro, as I said, overall sentiment stands bearish, so here we see the drop. As a result, what we've got on the 4-hour time frame chart, actually, we have this same hour triangle, and you can see the upper border still holds. And here we see the downside drop. It's really fast. In fact, market stands in the fifth wave inside of the triangle. So this is first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Usually on the fifth wave should be some exit. And currently, it seems that more chance that we'll see the downward breakout rather than upward breakout, because this postponing on Brexit voting brings nothing good actually to mutual relationship between United Kingdom and the European Union. It means that this burden of the negotiations probably will continue, and serious statements already has been made from both sides. From the Donald Tusk said that no changes in the agreement will be. So it will be. It just brings some more nervousness on the market and brings nothing good. But currently, the European Central Bank stands in focus. So gradually, we're coming to the daily chart, and here's what we have. Actually, guys, recent sell-off has created the reversal session again. So you probably remember what usually happens after the reversal sessions. Usually, it has some continuation. Here was reversal sessions. We see downward action. Here was reversal session up. We see some upward continuation here as well. That is, again, bearish reversal session. What's more important is that it stands at the AB equals CD target. So actually, inner ABCD pattern has been completed. And we have finally completed Gartner's T+2 sell. So although there previously also was some attempt to go lower, but mostly market stands in wide range here. But currently, the D point, the OP target has been completed. So potential target of this pattern stands as a ABCD to the downside. It's very close to the 1250 area, so somewhere near the lows. So maybe again, this long tails to the upside indicates the existence of the bearish pressures that traders step in as soon as market is coming to the 114, 114.50 area. So, as a conclusion of the current situation on the market, it seems that the chance on the downside action is a bit better, and that's why you probably could wait for some pullback here. Maybe market will form a kind of the ABC retracement, so will be regardless cheaper to sell. So you could try to take the short position. For those of you who are taking the shorts here on Monday with the stops above the OP, currently probably you could move your stops to the break-even and see what will happen. So that's our view on European Union currency. Now, brief look at the Great British Pound. Recall what we said also in the weekly report. We said we do not know how market will hit the 125 and by what news it will be. But we see the bearish pressure on the weekly chart, and we see the butterflies coming lower. It's 125 target and the COP, and market will gravitate to it. And just by a result of the Theresa May statement, market collapsed. Now take a look what we have. The collapse is very strong, and it means that really big chance exists that market could proceed lower a bit later. But at the same time, take a look. We have the daily average sold. This was also very important. We discussed in the weekly report. ABCD completion target, OP, has been hit. And here is minor butterfly. It's 125.60 also has been hit. It means that here is a pullback could happen. So if you have the bearish view, you could use this pullback for taking the short position maybe. If you would like to take the scalp long trade, you need to drop your time frame, the hourly chart, and see what bullish reversal patterns here could be formed. Because here pullback really is possible, maybe through testing of these lows, 26.86 maybe, so 100 pips. It's really not bad potential. This really could happen. But we will closely watch for Great British Pound as well. So what will happen here, and also it will be important to hear what United Kingdom politicians will say in the nearest future to understand where the voting will take place, what will happen. So that's a major topic. And waiting for European Central Bank meeting on Thursday.